Everyone in crypto says the same thing. Decentralized exchanges are the future. No middlemen. No control. Total freedom. But here's the truth. Most traders still use centralized exchanges. Why are people just dumb? Or is there something broken about DEXs? Today, I'm going to show you the 3 brutal reasons no one talks about. And the third one, crypto purists are not going to like it. Let's be real for a second. If DEXs are so powerful, why isn't everyone using them already? Why are platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken still dominating? There's a gap, a big one, and once you see it, you'll never look at crypto the same way again. Decentralized exchanges were supposed to change everything. No KYC, no restrictions, no one controlling your money. You hold your own keys. You control your own assets. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the problem. In theory, DEXs are amazing. In reality, they're frustrating. And that's where everything breaks. Because when real people start using them, they run into problems, big problems. Let's start with the biggest one. User experience sucks. Imagine this. You just found a new token. You're excited. You want to buy? Now what? Connect wallet. Switch network. Add token manually. Approve transaction. Pay gas fees. Wait. Transaction fails. Now, try again. More fees. More waiting. More confusion. Compare that to a centralized exchange. Open app. Click. Buy. Done. That's it. Same goal. Completely different experience. And here's the scary part. Most people quit right here. They don't even get to step 2. Now let's talk about something even more dangerous. Execution. This is where people silently lose money. You think you're buying at one price, but you actually get a worse one. Why? Slippage. Low liquidity. Price impact. Hidden fees. Let's say you try to buy a token for $1,000, but because of poor liquidity, you only get $900 worth. $100 gone hoost like that. Now compare that to centralized exchanges. Deep liquidity, tight spreads, better pricing. You get what you expect. And for traders, that's everything. But the third reason, this is where things get controversial, because it goes against everything crypto was built on. Crypto was supposed to be private, right? Well, not really. On a DEX, everything you do is public. Your wallet, your trades, your profits, your losses. Anyone can track you, literally anyone. Now, think about that. Would you want the entire world to see every trade you make, every mistake, every win? Probably not. Now compare that to centralized exchanges. Your activity is private. No one is watching your every move. And guess what? Most people prefer that, even if they don't admit it. So now you see the truth. It's not that people don't believe in decentralization. They just choose convenience. Here's the uncomfortable reality. Crypto promised freedom, but users chose ease. Crypto promised decentralization, but users chose simplicity. Because at the end of the day, people don't care about ideology. They care about speed, ease, making money. That's it. If you're learning something new here, hit subscribe right now, because most crypto channels won't tell you this truth. Now here's where things get interesting. DEXs are not dead, not even close. But they need to evolve. The future looks like this. You won't even know what chain you're using. You won't deal with gas manually. You won't worry about liquidity. Everything becomes simple, invisible, seamless. When that happens, DEXs might finally win. But until then, most people will stay where it's easy, even if it's not perfect. So now, I want to ask you, do you use DEXs, or do you avoid them? Comment below, DEX or CEX, and if you want to understand crypto at a deeper level, subscribe now, because the next video might change how you invest forever.